Okay, go ahead and get out your Disney workbook and turn to page 107. 107. 107. It's going to be a hundreds chart, and it looks like this. And it says print the missing numbers in the hundreds chart. 107. So if you need more time to find your workbook, then you need to pause the video. Okay, so here is our hundreds chart. What do you notice about the start of the hundreds chart? Yeah, it starts with 100 instead of 1. That's because this hundreds chart is actually going backwards. So if you find 1, it's all the way here at the bottom. So 1, 2, what number would go here? 3, so go ahead and fill that in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to fill 16 in. Okay, so you go ahead and keep doing that and do all of the missing numbers.